My dear one, before you seek medicine from the outside world, remember this truth. The greatest healer already lives within you. Your body is not your enemy. It is your temple, where life and breath meet in sacred silence. In this moment, simply pause and return to yourself. Feel that every cell in your body is alive. Each breath you take is giving you new life again and again. Sit in a quiet place and close your eyes. Bring your attention gently from the top of your head down to the tips of your toes. Observe your body and feel what is there. If there's pain, say softly within your heart, "Pain, I see you. I am here with you." When awareness touches pain, it begins to melt, just as morning mist dissolves in the sunlight. Your body is intelligent. It only asks for your attention, not your resistance. Now take a deep breath in. Feel it entering your chest, flowing like a calm river inside. As you breathe out, imagine that every drop of pain, every tired feeling, every burden of emotion is leaving your body gently and peacefully. Each breath you take is medicine. Each breath you release is purification. With every breath, light enters your body, and that light is your natural power to heal. Place your right hand upon your heart and say softly, "May I be healthy. May I be peaceful. May my body be free from suffering." These are not wishes. They are truths already unfolding within you. Your body listens to your love. Every cell responds to compassion. When you love yourself, your body blooms like a lotus touched by morning light. Spread this love gently to your eyes, your heart, your arms, your legs, your entire being. Whisper with gratitude, "Thank you, my body. Thank you for always being with me." Now rest in silence. In this silence, your body remembers its natural rhythm. Every organ and every breath returns to balance. Healing happens not through effort, but through peace. Be still, like a calm lake, reflecting the moon. Slowly open your eyes and take a deep breath. Bring your palms together near your heart and whisper, "Thank you, my body. Thank you, life, for giving me another chance to heal." Remember this truth. You are not separate from nature. You are nature itself. Each breath of air and each drop of rain silently heals you. When the mind is peaceful, the body restores itself. Healing is not outside you. Healing is your nature. Just return to it again and again for 5 minutes each day, and you will see there is no wound that peace cannot heal.